rolling and I'm straight from that rack. You heard me? Bitch, I'm rolling out the pool. Are you playing? Because take me or take me? I know. Bitch, I'm rolling. I've been rolling. Yeah, that pussy nigga Jordan turned the tongue on that shit. Yeah, he is a pussy bitch. We gon' hit him up with the stick. Jordan, you better sit your fat ass down. When I see you walking, I'ma buy you a Big Mac with a double pie with a large fry. Hey, every time I see you walking, I'ma buy you a fat ass Big Mac. Click clack. Jordan, when I see you walking, I'ma buy you a fat ass pizza. Jordan, when I see you, I'ma slap the fuck out your bitch ass. I saw you walking, so I had to slap the fuck out your big ass and buy you a pizza. When I see you walking, I had to slap the fuck out you and buy you a Big Mac with a double pie. Bitch, I'm rolling. I've been rolling. You niggas, y'all been trolling. Bitch, I'm rolling. Bitch, I'm rolling out the ugly and I flipped out, you heard? Come to that rat, I'ma show you. Bitch, I'm rolling out the team, I be rolling like for real. Poppin' bitch for real. Pussy nigga, I ain't taking no pill. Pussy nigga, I do this shit for real. Pussy nigga, stay on that beat, we gon' show you what's up. Got me chopping to the truck. Pussy nigga, get shot up. Pussy nigga, I know all this shit. Yeah, you with the pussy bitch. Yeah, we running with those sticks. Bitch, I'm filled out, you heard? And I'm for that rat. Bitch, I'm rolling. I've been rolling. You niggas, y'all be trolling. Bitch, I'm from that rat. I'ma do you bad. Catch that boy, we gon' spin on that boy. Catch that boy, we gon' put that boy in. We gon' whip that boy like what's up, kid. We gon' whip that boy like for real. Whip that boy in that field. He not in that field. He not like that for real. Jordan, you not like that for real. You not in that fucking field. You not like that for real. You a whole ass bitch. I'ma buy you a Big Mac. Straight fuck up, I buy you a Big Mac with a double pie with a large fry. Yeah, I'ma buy you a Big Mac. Go to McDonald's and buy your fat ass a Big Mac. When I see you walking down the street, I gotta eat this fat ass Big Mac. Yeah, when I see you walking down the street, I had to buy your fat ass a Big Mac and slap the fuck out you, boy. You block us cause you scared of us. You scared of Draco. That's why Draco gon' slap your bitch ass, not pass.